Imagine a place so far from Earth that light takes over an hour just to get there. A place where rivers and lakes aren't made of water, but of liquid methane. Where the skies are orange, the air is thick, and the ground crunches beneath your feet like icy sand. Welcome to Titan, Saturn's biggest moon, and one of the most mysterious places in our solar system. And guess what? NASA isn't just sending a rover there, they're sending a flying robot. It's called Dragonfly, and it's like a drone, but built for an alien world. Unlike Mars rovers that slowly crawl on wheels, Dragonfly will leap across Titan's surface, flying through its thick atmosphere, exploring craters, dunes, and ancient riverbeds. Why? Because scientists believe Titan could be one of the best places to search for life beyond Earth. This moon has all the ingredients: organic molecules, water ice, and energy sources. And Dragonfly might help answer the biggest question of all: are we alone? But here's what's crazy. Titan is colder than -290 degrees Fahrenheit. Its surface is darker than Earth at sunset. And storms of methane can sweep across the land. Yet, NASA is building this robot explorer to survive it all. Dragonfly will carry scientific tools, cameras, drills, and even a mini-lab to study Titan's chemistry. And since communication from Earth takes so long, Dragonfly must think for itself, using AI to make decisions, avoid danger, and explore the best spots. This mission is like science fiction coming to life. Scheduled to launch in 2028 and arrive by the mid-2030s, Dragonfly could become the first flying robot on another world. It's not just about cool tech, it's about discovering if life could exist in places we never imagined. What if Titan has its own forms of microbes? Or clues to how life started on Earth? Or even, signs that life once existed there? Every flight of Dragonfly will bring us closer to answers. And the best part? This isn't just a NASA dream anymore, it's fully in development. Engineers are already testing prototypes right now. We're living in a time when exploring alien worlds with flying robots is real. So next time you look up at Saturn in the night sky, remember, soon, a tiny flying machine will be buzzing through the skies of Titan, searching for life and rewriting what we know about the universe. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the future of space isn't just happening on Mars. It's unfolding light years away, on a cold, orange moon with secrets waiting to be uncovered. Stay tuned for more.